Lasubeb organized a capacity building for physical and health education teachers and sports desk officers across the 20 local government education authorities. The workshop focused on sports as instruments for total development of the child.
God will never tell you it's a hopeless case. No doctor will ever tell you. Therefore, the child will come to you for leadership, for courage, for guidance, for protection. Your attitude towards it determines how the child or the other children will react. Therefore, you must be reassured by attitude, by your, even when you feel the pain.
Participants were taught how to use modern techniques to arouse the interest of pupils in sports.
The idea is to empower them to be able to use the modern techniques, in sporting activity to correct some of the social vices we are currently witnessing in our society lately. It has been clearly established there is a nexus, there is a connection between idleness and social vices such as insurgency and all that. And as such, we must empower all the necessary actors to let them, do and correct the anomalies in the society. That is the essence of this training here today.
In order to prevent safety and reduce pain and injuries, we provide solutions and recommendations as the safety measures to be taken to prevent injury during PhD classes. For example, the teacher must give clear and definite instructions. He must demonstrate precisely what he wants the student to do. He must he must make sure he uses suitable and appropriate equipment and materials.
The capacity building served as a platform to broaden the knowledge of the participants on factors to be considered when organizing inter-house sports competition.
We want to empower the teachers so that sports activities will be paramount. Instead of those children to be going about roaming the streets, when they know that they are going to do practice, they're always eager to do sport. So we want them to be more useful so that we raise talk among the pupils from the schools. Our message is that when they get back to school, they should put all what taught them here into practice and make the students to be more active in sports.
I've learned a lot of things about safety because without safety in sport participation, it can lead to a lot of legal liabilities. The safety is a very important aspect of sport participation. In fact, they go pari passu. What I've learned a lot about this training is that I learned also about how we can inculcate safety into all our sporting activities in our very school.
This seminar has been an expository one, giving us a wider range of knowledge on what is expected of all physical and health teachers and those teachers who are in charge of sporting activities in the school. So this is to broaden our knowledge on the factors to be considered when we are having our sporting activities, to keep our physical and health teachers, specialists updated, because some are specialists, they're specialized in this field, while some are just incorporated into becoming a physical and health educator in the school.
For the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, all these activities are aimed at providing quality basic education to pupils, irrespective of their social and economic background, hence fulfilling its mantra of leaving no child behind.